Let's take a look at the clock. See all the small marks around the clock? Each of those marks represents 1 minute. There are 60 markings on the clock, so that means there are 60 minutes in an hour. How many minutes are in an hour? Say it out loud. I bet you said 60 minutes. And what hand on the clock tells the minute? The small hand or the big hand? Say it out loud. I bet you said the big hand, and you're right. The longer hand or the big hand tells us the minute. We know that we count our minutes by fives. So how many minutes have passed when we reached the 1? Say it out loud. Right, 5 minutes. How many minutes have passed when we reached the 2? Say it out loud. Right, 10 minutes. And how many minutes have passed when we reach the 3? Say it out loud. Right, 15 minutes. When we tell the minute, we count the big numbers on the clock by 5. Nice work. What do you notice is happening to the small hand or the hour hand as I move the minute hand? Say it out loud. I bet you said it's moving, and you're right. The hour hand moves very slowly around the clock as the minute hand moves. The minute hand goes around the clock once to move the hour hand to the next hour. What hour is it now? Say it out loud. Right, the hour is 1. Let's keep going. Now what is the hour? Say it out loud. Right, it's still 1. Notice that the hour hand moved just a little, so it's not pointing directly at 1, but it's still between the 1 and the 2, and it passed the 1, but not the 2. That means the hour is still 1. Let's keep going. Now what hour is it? Say it out loud. I bet you said 1. How do you know that the hour is still 1? Say it out loud. I bet you said that you know that the hour is still 1 because the hour hand is pointing between the 1 and the 2. It passed the 1, but it hasn't passed the 2 yet, so we are still within the hour of 1. Nice work. Let's keep going. Now what hour is it? Say it out loud. I bet you said 1, and you're right. How do you know the hour is still 1? Say it out loud. I bet you said you know the hour is still 1 because the hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. It's past the 1, but it has not passed the 2 yet. So we are still within the hour of 1. Great work. Let's keep going. Now what hour is it? Say it out loud. I bet you said the hour is still 1, and you're right. Even though the hour hand is very close to the 2, it has not passed it yet, so we are still within the hour of 1. Great job realizing that the minute hand pulls the hour hand around the clock, and that we need to look at the number that the hour hand has passed to tell the hour.